In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by accessing your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, click on this gear instead. Now you need to click on voice typing and click on gray sweater next to it to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Then click on finally visible microphone. Select allow in the pop-up and after seeing speak now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!